let us see this question. In a certain electronic transition in the hydrogen atoms, from an initial state 1 to a final state 2. So that means it is jumping from one state, that is, let us suppose this is state 1 and it is jumping to state 2. So it is jumping from here to here. Okay. So it is jumping from one orbit to another orbit, state 1 to state 2. And the radius of these two orbits is 24 times the radius of first Bohr radius. What is meant by first Bohr radius? First Bohr radius is R is equals to 0.529 into n square by z. First Bohr radius means n value is 1 and hydrogen atom, so Z value is also 1. So N is 1, Z is 1. So it is R is equals to 0.529 into 1 by 1, which is 0.529 angstroms. This is my first Bohr radius. We will take it as R naught. Okay, let us assume R naught is equals to 0.529. Now let us come to our question. So our question says that the difference in radius 1 and radius 2, R1 can be written as 0.529 into n1 square by z. This 0.529, I can take it as R naught. Okay, this is R naught. And R2 is equals to, again, R naught into n2 square by z. Okay, so as this is hydrogen, z doesn't have any values. You can remove this, z is 1. So now he says that R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 is 24 times of first Bohr radius, that is R0. So R1 minus R2 is R0 into N1 square minus R0 into N2 square is equals to 24 R0. If I take R0 common, it would be N1 square minus N2 square is equals to 24 R0. R0, R0 gets cancelled. N1 square minus N2 square can be written as N1 plus N2 into N1 minus N2 is equals to 24. Okay. Now we have got two variables, N1 and N2, we don't know. So we will be using substitution method. Let us go with the first one, that is 5 to 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. Yes. 6 into 4 is 24. Yes, this is correct. I think the option 1 is correct. Let us check with the second option. Second option, 25 to 1. So 25 plus 1 is 26. And 25 minus 1 is 24. Definitely this is not the answer. So second option is not the answer. Next, third option. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 11 into 5 is 55, which is also not an option. 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. And 6 minus 5 is 1. 11 into 1 is also not equal to 24. So option A is correct. Okay. I hope you understood this question. Next, we'll move to the next question. That is, which is the correct relationship E1 of H? What is E1 of H? Total energy of hydrogen atom. Total energy of hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 into Z square by N square. So E1 is nothing but minus 13.6 into 1 by 1, which is minus 13.6. E2 of helium. E2 of helium is minus 13.6 into here 2 square by 2 square, because second orbit n plus low 2 and z is 2. 4 and 4 minus 13.6. E3 of lithium. E3 of lithium is minus 13.6 into 3 square by 3 square. 3 square gets cancelled, minus 13.6. Then E4 of beryllium, minus 13.6 into 4 square by 4 square. This also is cancels out. So it is minus 13.6. So E1 of hydrogen will be equal to E2 of helium plus, which will be equal to E3 of lithium plus 2, which will be equal to E4 of beryllium plus 3. So the option would be second option. Second option would be correct. Okay. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask.